Let me talk about the mRNA first, because many people have this impression that in some way this can create some genetic changes in the body. This mRNA is of coding for the spike protein of the virus. And the way it works is that it gets into the cells of our body, into the muscle cells where it's injected. And then the mRNA is basically a mechanism to give messages to the cells to produce a protein. That's encoded in it. So the cells start producing the spike protein, which normally they wouldn't, right? It's because it's a viral protein. And then the spike protein is released and then stimulates the immune system to start making antibodies and the T-cell immune response. There is no way that the mRNA can get integrated with the genome of the human beings. We do not have any mechanism to integrate mRNA into our own DNA. So I think the first thing is, this is one of the big myths out there, that the mRNA vaccines will alter the genetic profile of people into whom they're injected. There is no way that that can happen. Now, having said that, the mRNA vaccines are a relatively new platform. And while there are several that are in clinical trials, there are several vaccines that are in clinical trials for other infections. So in phase 1 and a couple in phase 2. But it is true that we do not have a lot of people having been given the mRNA vaccine. So that way it's going to be a new one, but there's no reason to really believe that it should be any less safe than any of the other platforms. If at all, it could be safer,